when someone on my team suggested that we do vintage recipes, I was like, yeah, cool, sounds great. Weirder the better. Well, I was a silly goose because when I got the recipes, I realised that people in the 70s like to add a lot of weird things to jelly. Eggs, for instance, like this recipe where I had to put eggs into tomato jelly and lo and behold, it didn't work. So I did it a second time and luckily got the whole thing to set. Don't know how, don't ask me, did nothing different. And then I topped each one with a little curl of anchovy. Delicious. But, I mean, the centre looks good. I just don't think I despise someone enough to serve this to them. Oh, and this vintage recipe is a doozy. It starts off with lime, jelly, and you make a layer of that, and whatever you have left over, you add that good old crowd pleaser, cottage cheese. Yeah, cottage cheese and lime jelly, what a mixture. You pour that in to make a second layer and then you leave that to set. Or, well, you can try because mine didn't. So I tried to pour it out, do it again, but I don't want to talk about it because, well, you can see. Ugh, disgusting. But what I will say is that this is a conspiracy. I fully believe that these recipes are designed to fail. To not only cause me to have a personal breakdown, but to force me to go out and have to buy more gelatin. And that's the story that I'm sticking with. Oh, and to top it all off, that's tuna. Tuna, sweet corn, and mayo on top of lime jelly. Gross. A wonderful lemon jelly centerpiece, which is filled with what? Vegetables. Precisely, radish, peppers, celery, and grated cabbage. Now, when I was making this one, my gut was saying this is a lot of water content to be putting into some jelly. Like, that gelatin is going to be working hard. But I thought, no, swallow that gut feeling, banish it, and trust the process. And I did. I trust the process. And what did that get me? Drum roll, please. Yay! Absolutely nothing, because this one was an absolute failure. I did what any respectable person would do and decided to leave these recipes in the past where they belong.